Hey guys, Gavin here. Today we're gonna be doing a video. This 52-inch oil after bronze Hunter Waldon ceiling fan. You remember I did a video on June 11th, and I thought it was like a Hunter Stratford too, but I guess I was wrong because like since the blades look like these, I did not know what it was. It was a Hunter Waldon. I guess it was a Hunter Waldon. This is the fan that came from the family room at my grandparents' friend Vic's house. And my grandpa got it. He was gonna install it in his garage, but he wanted a fan that's a little bit bigger for his garage, so he gave this to me. And here's all the parts. This light kit. As you tell, normally the light does not work because like the light does not work anymore. Look at that. Okay. I don't know if you can see as I can. Okay, so yeah, it's cracked a little bit. I'll show you all the parts. Here's the thing that goes on. Here's a mounting bracket plate. It's a mounting plate, which is a mounting plate, a mounting bracket, whatever you want to call that thing. There's the Hunter pull chains. Here are the screws for them. And here's the blades. Here's the motor. Yeah. This is my.
You're making a video?
So I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Bye. And make sure to thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, turn on notifications. You don't have to, but you can. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.